What's up guys? My name is Brent Garner with Milwaukee Tool. I'm at United Tool and Fasteners today, and I'm here to introduce y'all to the new M18 Force Logic single channel strut shear. Milwaukee is committed to coming out with disruptive innovation for our MEP trades to make us more productive and safer on the job site. So a few specs on the tool, and the number one question we get is what's the runtime? You're able to get over 250 cuts on 1 5/8" pre-galv strut. So pretty solid runtime off of one 5.0 battery. Now as you look into the tool, you'll notice you've got a lock at the top, so where it locks the trigger, where it will not engage. So whenever you're transporting it along the job site, or going in and out of the truck, the trigger will not be able to be in use. And then also you'll notice if I pull the trigger just a little bit, light comes on, allowing you to see your cuts. So if it's a little bit darker on the site. And then lastly, you'll notice this piece right here, which whenever you flush your strut up to this guard, it's gonna give you those 4-inch cuts every single time, making those consistent 4-inch cuts a heck of a lot faster. And lastly, you'll notice this is made for the job site. You're able to bring this, carry this around with you, and use it wherever you need to throughout the site. But let's go ahead and run it. So flush it up to the edge, and then if you notice, each and every time, it gives you those 4-inch cuts. The new M18 Force Logic single channel strut shear. Swing by your United Tool and Fastener branch to get yours today.